Guys, look at this. Time for Casey Neistat to go snowboarding again. I think they named this one Niko. I think. Well, Niko, good job. Alright, boy. Prepare yourself. This New York weather though, I can't estimate temperature, but it was really hot out yesterday. Like, shorts and t-shirt. I really wanted to make a sledding video with Ryan, but I guess that's not gonna happen. At least not today. Maybe tomorrow.
Hello! We are going to pick up Kat. My butt is nice and toasty.
Is your bum toasty?
My bum is nice and roasted. I love it. How's your butt?
My bum is fully toasted.
Fully toasted. Toasted to the max. Here comes the bay. Wow.
Sorry.
Hi, babe.
Hey, do you like the song selection?
Sledding time.
We just got here, and as we're getting to the foot of the hill to start walking up, the park ranger announces that everyone needs to take their last turns. So I went up to him and asked him if we could just go once. So we're gonna go once, and then that's it. So we just have one shot. Ryan's trailing behind. Ryan's just getting up here. Everyone's taking their last turns, and how was the journey?
I hate
My
this hill.
arm was killing me. Someone left that there. Alright, you ready, Ryan?
Yep.
My sled is so much better than yours.
I can steer and it went so far.
Oh, I couldn't steer. You need both hands. You're supposed to grab this. Oh,
My sled is superior to yours.
oh, my hand burns. It's so cold. I had to use it to steer.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That was
How
fun
pretty
as
the
hell.
moon is.
Hey, look at the moon.
Kat, you look really good in the sledding. Ryan, we had a collision.
It was so funny. Oh my god.
Well, now we gotta leave.
Yep.
Yeah. Wait, are we not allowed to watch the eclipse from here?
No. They're kicking us out.
I turned this off.
Okay.
Alright, we know for next year. Maybe it'll snow again.
I hope it does. Well, let's try again tomorrow, guys.